Today I'm doing an honest review of the Little Blue Truck Springtime book. If you are not a fan of the Little Blue Truck series, then you need to grab this because you will quickly become a fan of these books. My toddlers love these. We have many Little Blue Truck books, but we don't have the springtime one. So I grabbed this for an Easter basket for my son. What we love about these is it's all the same characters throughout each story. So there's the Little Blue Truck, um, there's the sheep. This one is a Lift the Flap. I like that it's the hardcover and like board book type material. Um, there's frog, there's ducks, there's all of their favorite characters in this book. So if you're looking for another addition to the Little Blue Truck series in your house, or you are looking for a great spring book and want to join this series, this is a great one to grab. I highly recommend it.